Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You want to get audio directly to your AirPods fast, so start now. Make sure the AirPods in case have enough charge and the TV either has built-in Bluetooth or a compatible adapter plugged in. Once done, open the AirPods case and hold the pairing button until the white light flashes. This signals discoverable mode. Then, navigate to your TV's Bluetooth or audio output settings and prepare to search. This step is critical because the TV must be actively scanning before the AirPods appear. You'll now finish the connection inside the TV interface. Go to Settings, then Sound or Bluetooth, and choose Add or Search Devices. When your AirPods appear, select them and confirm any on-screen pairing prompts. The TV will negotiate profiles for media audio. If you're using a Bluetooth adapter, pair the adapter to the AirPods first and set the TV's audio output to the adapter. Make sure to wait for a confirmation tone or on-screen status so you know the link succeeded. You're almost done. Set the TV's active audio output to the AirPods and test volume, then stream content to confirm clarity and lip sync. If you notice audio lag, make sure the adapter or TV supports low-latency Bluetooth codecs or enable the TV's game or low-latency mode to reduce delay. If pairing fails, try one key troubleshooting tip. Reset the AirPods by holding their case button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white. Then repeat the pairing steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.